You guys, I wanted to show you Sarah's outfit before she gets in the car. Stand up, show them your outfit. Yes, Ty? Good job, look at her. Sexiness. Come up. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. The sun hit me as I took off my glasses. I had to give you an extra good morning this morning. Let me put it back on because the sun is out, though it's a little bit cloudy, but the lights, I should say. Anyway guys, let me give you guys a quick rundown. It's the day after Sarah's birthday and we're out and about. I'm talking low because she's sleeping. There she is. I couldn't talk to you this morning before I left home because I was just on the go. We're on our way to Saint-Tropez. You guys, if you've been with us for more than a year, then you would have seen my birthday vlog.
Just for me.
That's the boys. They had to come back to get the mask. They forgot the mask just now. So you'd have seen my birthday vlog when I turned 30, I think. So it wasn't last birthday, it was the one before that, because I'm 31 now. Anyway, my 30th birthday, I went to Saint-Tropez. My friend Shani was here, if you guys remember that trip. So that's where we're going. We're going in that region, but we're going to meet up with some friends, Sarah's godparents, babe best friends. So we're going to meet up with them and their kids. Don't know what's on our agenda, I mean, when we meet up, but we're gonna meet up. So that's where we're heading right now. It's about an hour and 30 minutes drive from home. However, we're 30 minutes within the drive, but you guys, if you're a real OG again, you know that Tyler have motion sickness whenever he travels, and lately we changed the car seats. We give Sarah Tyler's seat and give Tyler, the big boy, booster seat. But we realized that since he got the booster seat, it doesn't really matter how short the drive, he just vomits. He's just not feeling well. But we know that they have big kids seat like this one, so we stopped at a store for babe to try and see if he can find a seat, a big boy seat like Sarah's seat for Tyler, because we realize that when he's in this seat, the motion sickness is less, I guess, because it keeps him steady and firm. But when he's in this small one, it's just not happening, and I'd rather him be okay than he's just vomiting the entire way. My brother was like that when he was younger. I was a bit like that, not as bad as my brother and as Tyler, but and here in France we can't get gravel like we have in Jamaica. They don't really give nothing for things like this, really. What I normally do is put, typical Jamaican, put newspaper in his clothes, but yeah, that works sometimes it doesn't. It works when I'm in Jamaica, that's for sure, but here can't really even find newspaper at home. So I don't have any newspaper to put in his clothes. Anyway, if you guys have any remedies and any ideas of what to do apart from medicine to give Tyler when we're traveling, I mean, it doesn't really matter how short the travel. When he's in this low booster seat, he's just nauseous, he's just wanting to vomit, or he just vomits. TMI. Anyway, babe going to try to make a quick stop to see if he can find the seat, but Sarah is taking her morning nap right now, so I decided to stay in the car and let them go together and let Tyler get some fresh air. But even the fresh air when his window is down, it still don't really help much. We're just 30 minutes into the drive and he's already not feeling well, so I decided to stop than being miserable on the 1 hour 30 and have him feeling uncomfortable. So that is the dilemma this morning. You guys saw the boys going in. You guys will get a proper introduction of them when they get back or when we reach where we're going. So have a good day. I'm gonna stop the chit chatting and let you guys continue enjoying the rest of today's vlog. Catch up and keep up, subscribe if this is your first time to the fam bam. we love you guys, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of the day. Stay fearless. What are you saying? La 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 la. Ba 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 ba. So no good avenue and we always pass here, no? So we drive, no? She's getting so fussy. Quick lunch stop at McDonald's before we continue on our journey. Say hello, babe.
Hi guys.
Kyla, say hello. Fix that face and say hello, please. What's wrong with your face? Why are you sad? No reason, right? Right? You're sad because the toy that they gave you in McDonald's is pink?
Yes.
That's okay. You can get a next one when we go to McDonald's again or when we go to the toy store, okay? And you'll get to choose the color you want. So fix your face, please, and be happy, right? Right. Anyway, guys, lunch stop was a success. Now we're continuing on our journey to Saint-Tropez, child. We're in the streets of Saint-Tropez, walking through the town. Come, come, baby. Sarah, come. We're going that way. Papa is up there. So cute. Thank you.
How old is she?
1 year.
Oh.
She turned 1 year yesterday.
Hello, little baby. Oh, she smiled. Oh, baby. How cute you are.
Say hello.
What's your name?
Sarah.
Hey, Sarah. Sarah. You're very pretty. And I love your dress.
Say thank you.
Oh,
Come on, let's go get Papa.
come on, let's go to Papa.
Look, Papa waiting up the street. Come on. Come on. Bye bye. We're on our way to visit a small church at the top of the little city, Saint-Tropez, that we're in. And this is a view that I see on our way up. So I'm just showing you guys a view from up here, what it's like. So I think we're going up here. And we are here, seeing the view of the port. That's where we're coming from, I think, somewhere down there. Yeah, so let's go. This is where we're going. It's called La Citadelle
Mama.
de Saint-Tropez.
Mama.
Musée d'Histoire Maritime. Yes, Stella?
It's only 18 June.
Yes, it opened since the 18th of June.
Oh, is it one that's open?
Mm-hmm. And we're going to see peacocks in there when we get in. We have to wash our hands before we go in. That's cool. So to visit this museum, we have to wear our mask. And you know the cool thing about my mask from African Fabs? All the other masks that I have, they fog up my glasses. Every glasses that I wear. And this one, it doesn't fog up your glasses, girl. Look, glasses is fine. I can finally wear my glasses with my mask. And it doesn't fog it up. And you can actually hear me. With this one. Ty, ready to visit the museum? So here we are. And outside. And I think we're going to go that way. So let's see. What did I have to offer her? We find a peacock. There's a white one there. And there's a green one there. Cuckoo! But it can open up the feathers and be so beautiful. But you have to wait on him to do it. Hello!
What? To do what?
To open the feathers, and his feather can open and go big like this. Look. Whoa.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Like
But
that?
it's not open right now. And this one. Here. We are entering.
Il est là le roi, c'est moi le roi.
Ooh. Tyler, look at me. Why you look so scared?
Because I'm here.
That's okay. Look at mama. Look at mama. Come. No, come. Hey, be careful.
Look where we come from.
No, Miriam.
Boulet de canon.
Oui, c'est caca. Regarde.
Caca.
Look, il est là, caca.
Deux, trois, coup de canon.
So we're up where I showed you guys just now. Let me show you guys the view from down, from where we are. Oh, can you see? That's where we were just now. There we go. And now we're on the inside, and of course the history man have to be reading everything, unlike me just walking past the water supply point. Until the beginning of the 19th century, the Garrison water supply was taken from 2 different places. Look at this beauty. So pretty. Miriam, Miriam, Miriam! Miriam! It's opening.
It's open. I can't believe it.
Tu as été champion par le passé.
Il faut voir à côté.
Mais dans les années, je crois, 90.
Oh, now it's closed.
Genre quand ils arrivent en basket sur le...
He's the bigger. Mama, he's the bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Ouais, t'as des conférences. Et les conférences, à la base, les top lycéens. Et en fonction, entre guillemets, à la saison, tu vas avoir les anticipateurs. Alors, je pense
I'm
que
sure you guys
ça va
remember my
gagner,
friend
je pense que
Miriam.
ça va pas. Et comme ça, ils
Miriam
font
and
des têtes de
Nico.
série. Donc en fait, le favori des
Nico
têtes de
over
série
there.
numéro 1, c'est déjà ça. En fait, c'est des... Donc tu retrouves toujours les grosses. Faudrait que je le regarde parce que
So we're still
c'est vraiment dans la
walking
mentalité là-bas.
in this beautiful garden, seeing lots of trees. The queen. The daddy's pushing the strollers. It's not easy to push. Go sexy. And the babies are sleeping, the girls are sleeping. You guys, Miriam and I was pregnant together. You guys would remember that vlog. And we have babies 1 week apart. And here we are again. Wow! Look at that! It's pretty, right? Fall pumpkin. Look at mama. Honey? Beautiful. Beautiful.
You want to sit here so you can hold here?
Yes. Right. And put your foot up. Bravo. There you go, big boy. So pretty. Wait, stay there. Wait, I'm coming to join you.
Pictures you want?
Yes. Wait, no, the camera is recorded and you're going to take the picture on my phone. So you have to learn to multitask, eh? Catch us! You want to do the, what is this, the Statue of Liberty? Come,
No,
come,
this
I'm
is
doing the same sign with you, come. Come, put your foot up, put your hand up. Like this? So I have to do this too? Tyler, say I'm to do this.
Look at me, Tyler.
Ask Tyler what this sign means.
What is that?
I
This
don't know.
is a
Come, take a
pirate
picture of me up here.
sign. Huh? I want
Oh.
to get down. I really want to get down.
You taking picture? I want a picture. Take my antiques. Click.
Yeah. Hold the position.
Wait. Hiya. You ready to get down? Come. Oh, it's big. Look at this boat passing. And Saint-Tropez is known for big boats like this because Saint-Tropez is known, hold on tight, is known for rich people and famous people.
Just like you are looking.
Yeah, a lot of Americans sing about, a lot of rappers, American rappers sing about Cannes, France and Saint-Tropez. So that's the stretch that we're on at the moment. Nice. Merci.
Oui, moi je crois que c'était ça aussi. C'est touristique où il allait mettre un truc.
Sarah unwrapping off the meeting.
Ça, c'est...
We're walking through the little streets of Saint-Tropez. Saint-Tropez. I like that he have umbrella for his clothes on display outside.
Zeta. Zeta.
are here. We are here at the pool. We are at the vacation house that our friends are staying, because we are not in the city that they live, which is the city that all of Babe family live. So we're actually at the vacation house right now, and they're at the pool. Everybody's in the pool except me, because I come with the intention of not going in the water because I was so tired. I just felt like relaxing. So I deliberately didn't bring any swimsuit for myself, but I bring swimwear for everybody else. So the babies are in the pool, Papa is in the pool, Miriam, her kids are in the pool. So I'm gonna show you guys them in a bit, if I can find them. Hopefully they're, oh my god, they are so far out right now. They're so far out, I won't be able to show you guys them, but as soon as they come closer to the water, then I'll be able to show you guys where they are. But they're in a little area all by themselves, and they're all the way out, and they're having so much fun. So yeah, we're just here chilling. I'll show you guys around in a bit. It's a huge pool with a little section for the kids and a little section for the adults, so they're pretty safe. It's not crowded at all. They have a little area for themselves. So yeah, let me show you guys a little glimpse of the area that we're in, what it looks like. So it's over there, and the pool is huge from this end, and its stretches go all the way back down there. So yeah, that's where we are right now, and they're right in front of me, and they're at the back of this section. They're all the way where the stones are down here, so you guys can't even see them. So I'll show you guys them as soon as they come to the edge. I finally found them. Don't know if you guys will be able to see them. We are right here, but it's so dark because the sun is coming from this way. No, Mama not gonna swim today. Look at Sarah, she okay? No! No, Tyler, no, Mama don't have any swimsuit on. Go back to Papa and set your thing properly. Turn it to the front. Why you have it at the back?
Put it at the back.
Go. You can't even see them properly. That is where we ended the vlog. We didn't got back home until almost midnight. It was a long day to say the least. Look at these two bumps on my face. What are they trying to tell me right now? You guys know my face never have bumps, and these two just pop up out of nowhere, and they're annoying. Anyway, that's where we ended the vlog. We got back home close to midnight, and to say the least, the day was bittersweet. It was a good day, but then I am so super mad at myself. I'm so pissed because I don't know where I lost 1 foot of Sarah's shoes. 1 foot of Sarah's shoe is missing in action. I don't know where it's gone, but anyway, it's just a shoe and it's not a life. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. Hopefully you guys enjoy our little trip. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family. I'm gonna catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next video.